Hey everyone, Tara Tesher here. I thought it would be super fun to share one of my absolute favorite recipes from Taste of Home, which is a summertime dessert. And they're amazing. They're Disappearing Marshmallow Puffs. And here's what I love about them. Well, first of all, I love anything marshmallow, but these are so easy and so delicious. So I've already made 4 of them here. You're gonna wanna get your puff pastry, bring it to room temperature, cut it into squares. Take a peek right here. I did a bowl of butter. I also did a bowl of cinnamon sugar. You're gonna take 1 marshmallow. You're gonna give it a little bath in the butter. We'll talk about that after. You're gonna then transport it right into that cinnamon sugar. Let's get that one all covered too. Take that fully buttered, fully cinnamon sugared marshmallow and now add it to your puff pastry. You know what I love about puff pastry is you can stretch it. So when it comes to room temperature, you're actually just folding this from corner to corner, enrobing that marshmallow in the puff pastry. Fold down your corners and there you go. You have that little disappearing puff, which when you put it in the oven, it's delicious. All right, I'm gonna make one more real quick. As I said, I've already made 6. So there's your marshmallow in the butter. Let's get it in the cinnamon sugar. Love that. And then let's add it into that puff pastry. We'll make it its little nest. Go ahead and stretch it. 375, I've already preheated my oven for about 11 minutes. You're gonna wanna cook these. There's your little pouch. Put it right into, of course, my beautiful little cupcake holder. I'm gonna walk this back to the oven and I'm gonna come out with ones that are already made. I also have some glaze. So what's nice about that is that you're gonna glaze the top of these beautifully golden brown. Look, I'm actually just gonna, woohoo, little hot, that's okay. The marshmallows, the puffs, everything's flaky, crispy, delicious. Oh, I cannot wait to get in here. Woohoo! I'm gonna put my final touch of a little glaze right on top. Hold, please. Look at this. By the way, you can never use too much glaze, so don't ever worry about that. But this is why these are so delicious. An 11-minute dessert, butter, cinnamon sugar, and that disappearing, flaky, delicious puff pastry that now, yeah, I'm gonna eat and enjoy. And so will you. Check it out.